Hi, let's talk about the LFOs. Now that you know that we can do many things with just the oscillators and the filters, and especially now that we know that many of the oscillator models do have travel parameters, you may think that the LFOs aren't that interesting anymore. But let's have a look. You have direct access on the first 3 LFOs on the panel, and you have access to LFOs 4 to 6 in the LFO menu. The LFOs can have many different shapes. You have the sine, triangle, square, saw up, and sample and hold. But the LFOs, just like the standard waveforms, also have the war parameter, which means that you can change the shape of the LFOs too. The LFOs can reach audio speed. I routed the first LFO to the filter cutoff. You can synchronize your LFO, of course, to the BPM of the quantum. You can switch between polyphonic mode, where every voice has its own LFO1, or to the global mode for every voice together. And the single trigger mode means that there's just one LFO for each voice, and it will be triggered just with the first note which you play, and it will keep its phase. But you can also change the starting phase to a free phase, or you can define the exact degree number. The LFO can also be delayed. And the slew parameter is #flatten the curve. So the slew parameter removes all parameter jumps within the LFO signal and makes it way smoother. And of course you can also define the attack of the LFO. When you click on Mod Targets, you have an overview of all destinations which will be controlled by the LFO. And if you are controlling multiple parameters with, let's say, LFO1, like the pitch and the filter cutoff, you can use the amount knob to control the intensity of all these modulations at once. So these are the LFOs. You have even more possibilities with the envelopes and especially the complex modulator, which will be discussed in the next videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make a like or dislike, leave a comment. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.